Hi parents, it's Mr. Watson. Here's a quick look at what we did today in math. We're adding double-digit numbers together, and we're trying to get the kids to understand that it is easier to do it when one of the numbers ends in 0. And here's how we get them there. We take each number and we draw it out. We do what's called a quick draw, and your kids know how to do this. 27 would be represented by 2 10s, and a 10 is a straight line. That's a 10, 20, and 7 ones, and ones are little circles. We do it that way to keep it easy and quick. 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here we have the number 45. I'm going to draw 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, we want the kids to look at these two numbers and pick the one that's going to be easier to push to the next 10. They already know that the next 10 from 27 is 30, and the next 10 from 45 is 50. It would be great if they can recognize that this one it's easier to get it to 30 because you don't need as many. So we know that we only need 3 more ones to make this 30. And we're going to get those ones from over here. So they come over here, and if they can't quite make the jump from 27 to 30, do it this way. Count them. So here's 27. Come over here, and even put a mark next to it. 28, 29, 30. Circle those 3, and draw them over here. Because now we're moving these 3 over. Notice I didn't actually redraw them. I don't want that many circles on the board. I only want to have the same number at all time, because that helps them understand that these are now a part of this. So now we tell them, how many do you have? You've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now this is 30. And what do I have left over here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. And now we have 42. And all the kids were able to do these kinds of problems mentally in class horizontally. And it's important to keep it horizontal, and I'll explain that in a second. So then you say, how do you add your ones columns together? They should know that that means they're adding the 0 and the 2 together, and that 0 plus 2 is 2. And then they're going to add their tens columns together, 3 plus 4, that's one of their doubles plus 1, and they should know that that is 7. So 30 plus 42 is 72, 27 plus 45 is 72. Please resist the urge to teach them what we all learned, which is doing it vertically. Okay? I know that this is what's easiest for us and what most of us learned, but it's important that we don't do this right now. We're going to get there. But right now, we're trying to help them understand the idea of making these problems easier by setting them up in a way that they can do it mentally. That's going to build stronger math skills for their future, and it's going to make this kind of stuff, when we get to it, even easier. Okay? I know this was quick. I hope it helps, and we'll see you back at school.